Here you're going to line up the cork board and the foam board, drawing a line on the foam board for the height of the cork board. Then draw your big circle, making sure to leave room for the two small ears. And draw those out, and then you're going to cut out the outer lines that you made for your shape. Should look something like this. And then now you're going to take that shape and trace it on top of your cork board and then cut that out. After you have that completed, we are going to glue those two pieces together. I did find out that it was easier to glue the cork on top of the foam board. Make sure to rub down the cork so that it adheres correctly. And if you have any extra little pieces of cork sticking out, go ahead and trim those. And now we're going to glue the fabric to the cork side of your board, again making sure that it is nice and flat and there's no bumps of fabric. So now cut about 1 inch around your shape. Should look something like this. So now we're going to glue down the black fabric to the boards. You will be overlapping the little slits that you did cut. When you do this part, make sure you lift up a little bit to ensure that there's no extra fabric on the other side of the board. At this point, you can glue the straps if you do plan on hanging it. And then you're going to trace the shape that you made onto the felt, and this is going to be your backing of your board. Go ahead and cut that out, and then glue it to the back. And after this, if at any point you have any extra pieces of felt that you can see from the front, go ahead and trim that and your board will be done. So this is what my board looked like. I decided to hang mine, but there are also other ways to display it as well. Thank you for following along this tutorial.